morning. I know it's been a while and this vlog actually has no bearing. I just want to explore and try something new. Just start watch anything you see and let me know what you think about it. So I was supposed to style my hair now, but I don't have that time.
You feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. No compromising, make up your mind. We're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom.
I haven't even had breakfast. I just ate peanuts, so I just want to press my phone, check what's up, check if I have emails, and that's it for my morning routine. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.